Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's been a week since my last video. Work seems to be getting in the way of the YouTube channel, but that's okay. Thanks for sticking with the channel. Thanks for following along. I finally had a chance to get outside on the weekend. I was hoping it was going to be a sunny weekend to get out there, but welcome to winter in Canada, or spring, winter, because it snowed. So we have, it's the end of April and a little bit of snow on the ground, but it kind of worked out. I was wanting to try some different new film simulations, and so I did a little bit of Googling and found one from the Fuji X Weekly website. We've shared Fuji X Weekly website recipes on the channel before. Don't forget, I will link all of these down below in the description so you can go check it out yourself. A Urban Vintage Chrome, and this one I was looking for a film simulation that would go good for like an overcast kind of dreary day, and this one seemed to really fit the bill. I really kind of actually liked how these pictures turned out. It's not something that I would normally use, I think, all the time for all of my photography, but kind of a neat look on this, kind of a retro vintagey but futuristic look. It's kind of hard to explain. It goes really, I think, really well with the street photography and like the concrete kind of and the wetness with the wet streets. Definitely interesting look of these photos. So let me know what you think. As always, I numbered the photos, so let me know down below in the comments if you have a favorite that you like. Definitely a kind of grungy look. This almost reminded me a little bit of the classic chrome. Sorry, not classic chrome. It's based on classic chrome, but based on Bleach Bypass, because a lot of desaturation in these colors. And I would say it almost reminds me, I've shared the video before on was one of Mark G. Adams' film simulation recipes, where it was the black and white. He did like a street black and white, which was super gritty. And I will link that as well. You can check that out. I'll link it down in the description if you want to see that one. That's a monochrome film simulation. Kind of almost the color version of that, but really desaturated color. So without further ado, I will share the photos. Obviously, numbers on the bottom. Let me know what you like. At the very end, I will show the film simulation recipe, so you can pause the video and check out the film simulation recipe yourself. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hopefully you enjoyed those images. Hopefully you enjoyed the film simulation. A little bit different this time. If you want to check it out, obviously it is down in the description below as well, so you can check that out and get it loaded on your camera. If you do try it, let me know in the comments. Let me know how you like it. And if you have some pictures that you share of this recipe leave a link if you have like an Instagram or something like that, or maybe you have a channel that you can share the link, let me know, and I will go check out your photos. It's always kind of neat to see how other people use these film simulations and some other people's styles of photography. I really enjoy seeing that. So thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in this week. If you're new to the channel, as always, it would be great to have you follow along. I share lots of Fujifilm simulation recipes on this channel, different Fuji tips and tricks. If you aren't subscribed, you can hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, obviously hit the like button, helps out the channel. All that YouTube stuff that the algorithm likes. Thanks for everybody that has tuned in and watched this video to the end. I will see you next week for another video. I'm gonna hopefully be able to get out during the week. We'll give it a shot. If hopefully the weather will improve and we'll get some sunny shots. And I might want to try this film simulation when the skies are clear. I think it'll give it quite a bit different look as opposed to the overcast sky. Thanks for watching. Have a great week, everybody.